Dear students, yesterday we have discussed about the quinoline and isoquinoline. Today we are going to discuss about the coumarins and the chromones. Two of the three benzopyrones, coumarins and the chromones, are notable. Coumarin 53, which occurs naturally in the clover, and the warfarin 54 is substituted coumarin. This is 54. No special methods are needed for these easily made compounds, as the synthesis of the warfarin should demonstrate. The 1,5-dicarbonyl disconnection A on keto tautomers 55 of warfarin is statically excellent, as it separates two branch points and gives the simple starting material coumarin 56 and enone 57. This one. Disconnection of 56 by C double bond O and 1,3-dicarbonyl method suggests the salicylate ester 58 and an acetic acid derivative as starting material. The synthesis gives good yields if the acetic anhydride is used. Ester formation making the CC formation intramolecular. This acetic anhydride and this is the intramolecular, and the target molecule 56 coumarin is formed. An alternative synthesis 56B on the you will see remove the malonic ester from the phenol, and the logic this 56 removes the malonic acid from the phenol. The logic being the ester formation will make the Friedel-Crafts part of the reaction intramolecular. In the event, this is the one-step procedure with acid catalyst, and the warfarin synthesis uses the weak base catalysis. So here you can say the warfarin synthesis phenol, and it is treated with the malonic acid. Cyclization is done with POCl3. This 56 compound is being formed in the pyridine. It is giving you the target molecule 54 coumarin. Next we are going to discuss with the aromatic heterocycles with two heteroatoms. The aromatic heterocycles containing the two nitrogen atom at the adjacent position is called pyridazine, and at the para position it is the pyrazine, and at 1 and 3 position it is the pyrimidine. So there are the three members. First we are discussing with the pyridazine in which the nitrogen is on the adjacent carbon atom. These are the six membered rings with the two adjacent nitrogen atom. Example, hydralazine. Hydralazine is this containing the fused benzene ring and NH2 group. The cyanomoid cotton herbicide is 61. Here we are having the piperazine region, methoxy group, and a benzene ring containing the CF3 as a substituent on it. This is known as cyanamide cotton. Now, first we are dealing with the hydrazine analysis. This is hydrazine analysis. This 59 compound is undergoing a cleavage of carbon nitrogen bond and or oxidation. It is giving the ketone group and NH2 hydrazine form, and then the CN cleavage at the 2 position on the 62 molecule, giving you aldehyde acid and hydrazine 63. Then we are taking with the tautomers of molecule 60. Tautomers of molecule 60, this one shows the first disconnection clearly, and removal of a recognizable fragment hydrazine leaves the aldehyde 63. The partial reduction of the phthalic anhydride 64 followed by the oxidation with the chromic acid yields 63, which reacts with the hydrazine to give the amide 62. The amide 62 does not react with hydrazine, but its chloride react So first this chloride is converted this is converted into chloride, amide group is converted into the chloride, this, and then hydrogen is reacting, giving the target molecule 59. Next we are dealing with the cyanamide cotton herbicide. This is cyanamide cotton herbicide. This is the target molecule. Here again the 2CN cleavage takes place and giving you the 2 ketone group here. So reject cis alkene as a starting material. Direct removal of hydrogen would require a cis double bond in the starting material. If we remove the double bond first, a much simpler compound emerges, that is the ketoester rather than diketone. So we will take ketoester group. When the hydrogen is added to the ketoester in amine is formed with the ketone, but cyclization occurs at the ester end to give an amide rather than the amino ester. The product is a dihydropyridazolone. Dihydropyridazolone. Here you are having a saturation, no double bond here. So this aromatization with the bromine gives the aromatic pyrazolone by the bromination and dihydrobromination, and now takes the chloride with POCl3, then displays this methanol. So here this CF3 group and this NH group, so C double bond O is converted into POCl3 group, and the methyl group, methoxy group, is entered into the target molecule. Next we are dealing with the pyrazine. The pyrazine system naturally occur in the aspergillic acid 66 and the order principle of green peppers 67. This 67 must be made from the amide 68, and the disconnection approach indicates that 68 is made from the glycerol 69, this one, and the compound 70 is amide of natural occurring amino acid leucine. So this cyclization is of course good reaction. Orthomethylation 68 is achieved by cleavage of carbon nitrogen bond, giving the hydrogen and the diketone. So this target molecule is prepared from 70 and 69, giving you 68. 68 is combining with diazomethane, giving you 67. Thank you.